Okay, welcome to Loggy Connect. On your preferred web browser, either Safari, Google Chrome, whatever, Ping, just enter loggyconnect.co.za, or alternatively go to iOS App Store and download the app. If you're a service provider or you're a skilled worker looking to grow your business, but you're struggling to reach your new customers or build your reputation, or you're even tired of just managing your bookings or business on spreadsheet or on a book offline, this video walks you through step by step how you can get discovered, get booked, and get paid by customers on their platform, and also how to manage your business effectively on the platform. So we're going to show you how you register your services step by step on this app. Let's get started. Check first, do you have an account created? If it's a no, create an account and enter on the tenant, just choose a provider and then enter your name and say name. If you have a brand that is already known, you can just in brackets enter the brand that you're known for. And then you enter your email address. This is the important data field that we need. Just make sure that it is correct. Okay. And then password and confirm your password. And if someone referred you to here, just enter the referral code and then create an account. Okay. Click create an account. You'll receive an email prompting you to verify your account with the verification code. Please do that because you won't gonna be able to log in without verifying your account. Okay. Because I already have an account, I'll just come and log in. And then I'm just going to log in. Boom. It automatically pulls in your current location, wherever you are. You'll see it at the top. If you're a service provider, you'll see home, booking, manage notifications, profile at the bottom. Just go to manage. And then go to services. And then the plus sign at the top. And then go to choose the name of your service. There's a lot of services here. Photography, lighting, ride sharing, food delivery, whatever that you can think of, music lessons, yoga, all right, life coaching, all right, home renovations, computer repair, bookkeeping, appliance repair, installation of air conditioning or repairing of it, whatever it is that you can think of. So choose the service that you're providing or you're good at, okay? For now, for these purposes, I'll just choose the lighting or tutoring. Okay, base price of tutoring is $250 and I'm charging per hour. Okay, there's different charging. You can charge per service, per kilogram, per job, per trip, per setup, whatever it is. So I've charging per hour. I chose an hour. I don't need an inspection fee. There are certain services that you'll need an inspection fee for example, plumbing and carpentry, etc. So for my tutoring, I can just say I offer maths, English, and science courses, something like that, and then you save. Okay. And please, if you're offering any services that you have social media, basically, links or website to show the catalog of your work, just go here and enter the link of your social media or the wherever catalog of your work is, and then save. And then if you have custom packages that you want to offer as well, enter the custom packages here. For example, maybe math is more difficult, and then you put the price and then you save, okay? Whatever custom packages that you have. And after you saved, make sure that your status is active. Or you can delete your service if you don't want to add that. If the status is not active, people won't be able to see you. When you're done creating the service, that's how easy it is. Quick, clean. You come to the payments and you enter your bank account number and bank details basically, so that you can get paid. Okay. So as a service provider, you have a dashboard for you to manage all the pending services that you are still to offer. They've booked you, all the confirmed booked services. Pending will be any service that has been booked but they haven't paid. Confirmed is the services that have been booked and paid. The one that you are busy delivering on that day, the completed one, the cancelled one. What is your rating and how much have you earned per day, per week? And you can also customize how much you want, right? Per period, per certain period, etc., right? So that's exactly how you can manage. You don't have to be managing. And then you have a schedule that the schedule will tell you how many bookings do you have that day and how far they are in terms of the distance. Because I don't have any service booked, there's no data here. But that's how the dashboard works, okay? That's basically it. That's how easy it is, right? And you'll be able to communicate with your customers in-app communication, and basically that's it. And you can go to the profile, you add your picture there so that people can recognize that you're a real person. Don't add emojis, guys. Add your real picture, enter your mobile, subscribe to our newsletter, and just use your referral code to refer people that you want them to register on Loggy Connect, And there are certain services that will require verification documents, like plumbing. You'll have to come here and then enter the documents. Electrician, we have to confirm that you're qualified to carry that work. You'll be asked for the documents. You'll enter them here. And then you can enter the addresses that you're operating in. And the settings, it's basically what is the radius in which you want people to identify you. Is it 150 radius? Are you willing to go 350 or more, or 10? How far are you willing to travel to provide your services? Basically, that radius allows you to kind of select that. Okay, back to the profile, and then boom, you are done creating your